Lesson: Introduction to Data Sources in Supply Chain Management. Supply chain management is a complex network of interconnected entities involved in the creation, production, and distribution of goods and services. Data sources play a crucial role in this network by providing the necessary information for making informed decisions, optimizing processes, and enhancing overall efficiency. The integration of various data sources in supply chain management allows organizations to gain actionable insights, streamline operations, and respond swiftly to market demands and disruptions. Data in supply chains can be broadly categorized into structured and unstructured data. Structured data refers to information that is organized in a predefined format, such as databases, which are easily searchable and analyzable. Unstructured data, on the other hand, includes information that does not have a predefined format, such as social media posts, emails, and videos. Both types of data are vital in providing a comprehensive view of the supply chain. One of the primary data sources in supply chain management is transactional data, which includes information on orders, inventory levels, shipments, and sales. This data is usually captured through enterprise resource planning systems and warehouse management systems. For instance, a retailer can use sales data to forecast demand and adjust inventory levels accordingly. This approach not only reduces the risk of stockouts, but also minimizes excess inventory, thereby optimizing storage costs. In addition to transactional data, sensor data has become increasingly important with the advent of the Internet of Things. Sensors can be embedded in products, vehicles, and warehouses to track the movement and condition of goods in real time. This real-time tracking enables companies to monitor the temperature, humidity, and location of perishable goods, ensuring they remain within specified conditions throughout the supply chain. A practical example is the use of RFID tags in the pharmaceutical industry to prevent counterfeit drugs from entering the supply chain and to ensure the integrity of temperature-sensitive vaccines. Social media data is another valuable source that can provide insights into consumer behavior, preferences, and trends. By analyzing social media posts and interactions, companies can gauge customer sentiment and identify emerging trends. For example, a fashion retailer can use insights from social media to adjust its product offerings based on what consumers are currently interested in, thus aligning production and marketing strategies with consumer demand. To make sense of the vast amount of data generated from these sources, supply chain professionals can leverage various analytical tools and frameworks. One such tool is predictive analytics, which uses historical data to forecast future events. Predictive analytics can help companies anticipate demand, manage risks, and make proactive decisions. For instance, a manufacturer can use predictive analytics to forecast potential supply chain disruptions due to natural disasters or political instability and adjust sourcing strategies accordingly. Another practical framework is the Supply Chain Operations Reference Model, which provides a comprehensive approach to managing and improving supply chain performance. The SCORE model offers tools for analyzing supply chain processes, identifying bottlenecks, and benchmarking against industry standards. By implementing the SCORE model, organizations can streamline operations, reduce costs, and improve service levels. Machine learning algorithms also play a pivotal role in extracting actionable insights from supply chain data. These algorithms can identify patterns and correlations within large datasets, enabling companies to optimize inventory management, improve demand forecasting, and enhance supplier selection. For example, machine learning can be used to analyze historical sales data and predict future demand with greater accuracy, thus reducing the risk of overproduction or underproduction. Moreover, blockchain technology has emerged as a powerful tool for enhancing transparency and traceability in supply chains. By maintaining a decentralized and immutable ledger of transactions, blockchain ensures that all parties have access to the same information, thereby reducing the risk of fraud and errors. A notable application of blockchain is in the food industry, where it is used to trace the origin of products and ensure food safety. Companies like Walmart have implemented blockchain to track the journey of food items from farm to shelf, allowing for swift identification and removal of contaminated products if necessary. Case studies highlight the transformative impact of these data sources and technologies on supply chain management. For example, Procter & Gamble implemented a demand-driven supply network that leverages real-time data from various sources, including point-of-sale data, to optimize production and distribution. As a result, P&G achieved significant improvements in inventory management and customer service levels, demonstrating the effectiveness of data-driven strategies. In conclusion, the integration of diverse data sources in supply chain management is essential for driving efficiency, agility, and resilience. By harnessing transactional data, sensor data, social media insights, and advanced analytical tools, supply chain professionals can make informed decisions that enhance operational performance and competitiveness. The adoption of cutting-edge technologies, such as machine learning and blockchain, further enables organizations to navigate the complexities of modern supply chains and address real-world challenges effectively. As the landscape of supply chain management continues to evolve, the ability to leverage data sources and derive actionable insights will remain a critical competency for supply chain professionals.